Why do printers need separate black ink if cyan, magenta, and yellow can combine to create it? It's not just about economics. While it is possible to print black text simply by mixing the three primary colors, this approach can lead to several unwanted artifacts. One of the most common is registration shifts, where the colors fail to align perfectly. This creates visible outlines around the edges of small elements like text. Moreover, using a color mix in inkjet printing increases ink saturation, which can cause more strike-through, especially on lighter weight papers. This not only affects aesthetics, but can ruin the entire project. Imagine having to redo everything just to fix these settings. It wastes time and delays the printing process, something no one wants.